How to organize your online course studio equipments. Organizing your online course studio equipment is essential for efficiency, accessibility, and overall productivity. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you organize your studio equipment effectively. 1. Assess your equipment needs. Determine the types of equipment you need for your online course studio, such as cameras, microphones, lighting, tripods, and recording/editing software. Consider the specific requirements of your course content and production style to ensure you have the necessary tools to create high-quality videos and audio recordings. 2. Designate a studio space. Choose a dedicated space in your home or office to serve as your online course studio. Ideally, this space should be quiet, well lit, and free from distractions. Set up your studio equipment in an organized and ergonomic layout to maximize efficiency and workflow. Consider factors such as cable management, access to power outlets, and positioning of equipment for optimal use. 3. Invest in storage solutions. Use storage solutions such as shelves, cabinets, drawers, and storage bins to keep your studio equipment organized and easily accessible. Label storage containers and compartments to help you quickly locate specific items when needed. Consider using color-coded labels or tags for different types of equipment or accessories. 4. Create equipment zones. Designate specific areas or zones within your studio space for different types of equipment. For example, have a dedicated area for cameras and tripods, another for microphones and audio recording gear, and a separate area for lighting equipment. Organize equipment within each zone based on frequency of use, with frequently used items placed within easy reach and less frequently used items stored in accessible but less prominent locations. 5. Establish workstations. Set up individual workstations or stations for different aspects of course production, such as filming, audio recording, and editing. Equip each workstation with the necessary tools and accessories for its specific function, ensuring that everything is readily available and within arm's reach. 6. Implement cable management. Use cable management solutions such as cable ties, clips, or raceways to keep cables and cords tidy and prevent tangling or tripping hazards. Route cables along walls or under desks to keep them out of the way and minimize clutter in your studio space. 7. Maintain regular maintenance. Schedule regular maintenance and cleaning sessions to keep your studio equipment in good condition and ensure optimal performance. Inspect equipment for signs of wear or damage, and promptly repair or replace any faulty or malfunctioning items. 8. Document and inventory. Create a comprehensive inventory of your studio equipment, including details such as make, model, serial number, and purchase date. Keep detailed records of equipment maintenance, repairs, and upgrades to help you track the lifespan and performance of your gear over time. By following these steps, you can effectively organize your online course studio equipment to create a functional, efficient, and productive workspace for producing high-quality course content.